Hi you guys, my name is Tier and this is my channel Cup Full of Tea. First and foremost, I want to say hi. Second, I want to let you guys know this is not clickbait. What happened was I forgot to film this intro with my short wig, which you will see at the end of the video. I went out and then I came home and I was getting ready to snatch off all this makeup and realized, dum you didn't even film an intro. So I'm like, shoot. So I tried to throw that wig back on and you guys, it was just so savage. Like, it just was not. So I was like, hell no, I'm not gonna do that shit to myself. So here I am in my bathroom with this wig that I just threw on real quick, and I'm like, you guys, I'm not gonna not post this video, and I'm not gonna post it without the intro. So we're just gonna have to do two-toned hair in this video. But I really do hope you guys like it. I'm not a makeup guru whatsoever, so feel free to leave me any type of feedback in the comment section below. Also feel free to subscribe, and if you really want to know what's up with me and keep up with me, then make sure you hit that little bell so you get a notification every time I post something new. I am going to get into the habit of posting at the very least once a week. All the makeup and things that I use, I'm going to leave in the description bar below, right along with my social media handles. And yeah, so without further ado, here you go. So to start things off, I like to do my brows first, and so we're just gonna hop right in and get things started. One brow down, another one to go. From the front to the arch, I'm going to use chestnut. Bottom, like I said, I'm going to use toast, and that's only because I like to use that to conceal my eyes for my eyeshadow. I'm going to take my e.l.f. concealer brush. To put on my eyelid. I like to let it sit for a little bit, let it get tacky, so it can be more full coverage and be a little stiff. So when I do apply my eyeshadow, it's not creasing. Start off, I'm going to use my Rosé in the Air palette, and I'm going to start off with this light brown right here. And I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending eye brush. Same brush and the same palette. I'm going to take this orange shade right here and put it in the same exact place. I'm going to take a smaller brush. Vander collection I was telling you guys about. This one is like a blending brush, but it's like a stiff blend, and kind of, you can't really see it on the camera, but it kind of got like a point to it. So you can use a pencil brush or anything like that you want, but this one I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna have to dip into a different palette because I want to use black. Perfect 23 Matte Colors by Nicka New York. I love this palette. I got this palette from, it's probably my local beauty supply for about $5, and these colors are magical. You see which ones are my favorite. But yeah, I'm gonna use this black Excess and put this in the crease with the outer view. Once here with the same elf brush as before, without adding any more product. Just like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a semi-cut crease, which I'm just dreading because I still haven't got the total hang of those. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there before I miss. What I'm gonna do is I wanna let that dry just a little bit, and then I'm gonna add a color on top. I'm not gonna tap off the excess because I want that pigment. Now, blending this purple on the outer edge with that black that I placed there earlier. Okay, so now it's time for liner. The liner that I like to use is this Wet n Wild Megaliner. God, this is such a fine tip. I always do good on this side, and this side is just, I don't know, it's just so rebellious. So the next thing I do in regards to liner is I like to take my e.l.f. eyeliner, and this is the cream liner. I like to take this, and for this I like to use angled liner brush like so. Looking real good. Full focus face primer matte. So it's this bad boy. So I am primed, and the next thing that I am going to do is my foundation. And the foundation that I'm going to use is I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the matte poreless, and I'm using the shade 368 Deep Golden. This is important. I like to use an angled brush for this exact reason. I like to turn it like this and flick it back into my brow. I like to take my beauty blender. I'm not doing it dry. I'm spraying water. And so all I do is soak up the excess foundation. I need to go back in with my Royal and Renegade complexion brush. is Toffee, Toast, and Fawn. Now this is how I do this. I take Toffee first, and the Toffee, that's what I use for my Cupid's bow. I've been running out of this for like 6 months ago, and I still keep squeezing something out. The next color I'm going to take is Fawn. And then take Toast. But after I contour with the same Tarte Beauty blender. Next step is to blend. I am taking my Rayon Nickel brush again. I am only blending out the connectors, the outline. But I do like to set my concealer, and what I'm going to use to set my concealing LA Girl pressed powder in the shade chocolate. So let's see. This is what I like to use. I like to Real Techniques blush brush. To use my black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I like to use the cream as well as the powder. And for contour, and for the cream contour, I'm using in the medium to dark. So I like to take the contour, and I like to take my e.l.f. sculpting face brush just a little bit. With the powder, I like to use my Equal Tools brush, and I believe this is their blush brush. It came in a little travel size set. I like to take my Royal Nickel brush, blend out the cream with the powder, so cream contour. Concealer brush. So I like to let that sit for a little bit, and while that's sitting, I'm going to just go in with my mascara. And the mascara that I'm using, I'm going to have to show you this. To go with my mascara, the mascara that I'm using is this Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara. I love it. And I like to take, if you did not know, my Royal Nickel brush and blend this up. Every girl's favorite. We're gonna highlight. so extra, y'all. I use 4. I'm gonna take the cream or the black Radiance contour palette. Cream. After that, I like to go in. If you did not know, with the powder. And my Fusions Highlight Pigment powder. The LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder, and this is in the shade 20 Watt. Yes. I'm wearing my Nicka complexion brush and blend it out. Use the black Radiance Soft Focus finishing powder in the shade 9203 or Milk Chocolate. What to do is lashes. For my lashes, I'm going to use some Eyeliner lashes. These are the VegasNay lashes right here. I took the box, but this is the Lash Couture strip lash with the brush. And so while that glue is getting tacky, baby, I'm gonna do a lip. I'm gonna do maybe like a nudish lip. And the way I do my nude lips, because I am of darker complexion, I start off with no liner. I start off with my MAC Chocolate lipstick. And then I like to top it off with my Arcade by Kiss Forever Matte lipstick. I don't use a lot of this. I choose enough to get that good lip look. Now my lashes should be tacky enough to apply. And I'm going to go back into this palette, an Amazon palette, with that black and for my inner tear duct, I'm going to use my Fusions pigment, but the brush I'm going to use, this elf sponge tip. Step on brush like this and just do a couple swirls. And see what time. I'm going to take my setting spray, and this is my Kat Von D All Nighter setting spray. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to see more tutorials, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys.